Hi everyone, welcome back to our little UK fish room, and I guess this is our pond patio. So we're getting a head start in on summer tubbing this year, so we've set these up about a month ago now. We've added a layer of peat substrate on all of them, bought some pond plants. Mrs. Aquadiction has a few lilies in there, some nice ones. Obviously they aren't going to be shown at the moment. We've seeded the ponds with Daphnia culture from our main Daphnia culture. It's just starting to bounce back as it does every year. There's also a lot of blackworm in here. So obviously we've picked the wrong day to do this because it's not exactly nice weather. But yeah, so we just wanted to go through our plans for this year and what we're going to do. So we're going to be buying another 2 to 3 ponds this year to go with these 4 and our Daphnia culture. Hopefully we're going to go for something that looks a little bit better than this. Possibly wooden ponds or ones with view panels, just so we can see what's going on from above the sides, and we don't necessarily have to do underwater footage this year, but we will still try that. So yeah, I'll take you into the fish room and show you what we were planning on keeping outside this year. So our Tigra endlers will absolutely be going out on a pond this year. These didn't go out last year. Hopefully increase the numbers of them. Our tiger endler colony will be going out this year. Again, these didn't go out last year, so this will be a new one for us to test outside. Although we are kind of half thinking about discarding with this strain of tiger endler, because one of our last crosses, just so much more vivid coloration, if you're going to focus, compared to them. So we might do away with our initial tiger endler strain and work on these more, depending on how the F2s and F3s turn out. So I'm guessing not this year, so we'll keep these around for now. The Gingaroo guppies will absolutely be going outside again in a tub of their own. Well, all of the strains will be having a tub of their own. Keep them pure. And our black bar endless strain will be going outside. And we're going to want to try something a little bit different this year. Not just endlers and guppies outside. Obviously we have the white clouds from last year, which we're trying to breed now so they can go outside on the top of their own, with the Vietnamese cardinal minnows. But we may try some rainbow fish outside. The Pacific blue eyes, as they seem to be a little bit more hardy when it comes to temperatures. And we might try some shrimp outside again, so probably our pumpkin shrimp. No, you're not going to focus. Now I've got some new Dolphis corridorus. I'm really getting into these now. Mrs. Aquadiction made a suggestion yesterday that we should get 2 racking units, 2 new racking units, as this is all just wasted space. Obviously we're going to have to take down the Cory shrine, but we had to weigh up 4 new tanks or Cory shrine, and it is a difficult decision, but the Cory shrine may have to go. Or we could just rehome him, put him somewhere else, possibly in our bedroom. That might seem a bit weird, but I mean, I have no problem with Cory being in my bedroom. So the stair kennelers, they'll be going outside as well. So what we'll do is we'll take the best of the best males to put out there, because some of them aren't perfect. They have improved a lot since we've been breeding them and culling out the males that aren't up to the spec. And what else will be going out there? Oh, blue star endlers. The blue star endlers did particularly well for us outside last year, but since we've brought them in, they're kind of taking a bit of a nosedive. We don't have half as many as we did. We are treating them for some fungus because a couple of them do seem to have developed a little bit of fungus. I can't really show you that though, because the ones with fungus aren't around. But yeah, so we're definitely going to have these outside again. Hopefully the colony will bounce back, and we'll have more than we know what to do with again. And what else? Oh, so the Santa Maria endlers, these didn't go out last year, so these will absolutely be going out this year. We are going to need some more tops, as I suggested earlier. If we can catch them, some of our danios, our glow light danios and orange fin danios, they could go outside. It's just going to be catching them out. We may have to just buy some more. I'm not sure I want to dismantle the entire aquarium just to catch a couple of glow light danios. Oh, I just wanted to quickly show you guys this. That is a cross between a pseudomcgill neon red with a spotted blue eye pseudomcgill. It's up the top. Most of these are praecox grouts, but you can see the one at the top, it's more orange. That's the first of our crossing of these two different types of rainbow fish. That could be quite interesting. We'll show you how they work out soon. I'm pretty sure that's a male. It should be really interesting to see. And our fireline danios, these can go outside as well in one of the tubs. We have to get some breeding going on there. The tank's absolute nightmare right now. I need to sort that out. Yeah, so getting in on summer tubbing 2022 early this year. Hopefully guys will stick around to watch how we get on over the summer. But that's it for now. Just a quick update, guys. Hope you're all well. Do take care of yourselves.